If Firefox has suddenly started opening strange search results, showing a new homepage, or pushing you towards Safe Finder, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Safe Finder manually from Firefox step by step, and also how to clean up the program behind it in Windows so it doesn't keep coming back. This is a simple guide anyone can follow, even if you're not very technical. Before we get into the steps, if this video helps you, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel grow, and it makes sure you don't miss the next fix. Now, let's get started. The first thing we want to do is uninstall the suspicious program from Windows. This matters because browser hijackers like Safe Finder often install software on your computer that can keep affecting Firefox even after you remove the extension. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time. This opens the Run window. In the box that appears, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This will take you directly to the list of installed programs on your computer. Once the list loads, look carefully for Safe Finder. If you don't see it right away, look for any unknown program you recently installed, especially anything that looks suspicious, unfamiliar, or was installed around the time your browser started acting strangely. These kinds of unwanted programs often have unusual names, so take your time and review the list. When you find the program, right-click it and choose Uninstall. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen and let Windows remove it completely. If you see more than one suspicious program, you may want to remove those too, as long as you're sure you don't need them. After uninstalling the program, the next step is to clean your browser extensions in Firefox. This is important because Safe Finder often installs itself as an extension, which can change your search engine, homepage, or new tab settings. Open Firefox, then click the three lines in the top right corner of the browser. From the menu, choose Extensions and Themes. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down through the menu until you find it. This will open the Firefox add-ons and extension management area. Once you're there, click Extensions on the left side. Now look through the list for Safe Finder. If you find it, click the three dots next to it, and then click Remove. Firefox may ask you to confirm the removal, so go ahead and approve it. If you see any other extensions you don't recognize, especially ones you never intended to install, it's a good idea to remove those too. Browser hijackers often come bundled with extra extensions, so cleaning this list helps make sure the problem is fully gone. After that, restart Firefox and check whether your search engine, homepage, and new tab page are back to normal. If Safe Finder is still appearing, you may need to reset some Firefox settings or clear browser data, but in many cases, uninstalling the program and removing the extension is enough to fix the issue. And that's it. You've now removed Safe Finder manually from Firefox and cleaned up the related program from Windows. This is one of the best ways to stop browser hijackers from interfering with your browsing experience. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step computer fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.